What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Get the Hands back to you with another video. And in this haircut tutorial, we are going to be doing a 1.5 all the way around
Houston,
Dark Caesar. And I'm not using the one lever open, I'm using the 1.5 guard closed. I feel like it leaves it just a little bit darker. My client likes to look. We've tried the 1.5 before, the one guard lever open, and it was just a little bit lower, a little bit lighter than he wanted. So I jumped to this, and we found the length that he liked. So
thank you for following. Yeah.
make sure it's all the way even. Make sure you're stretching the skin. If there's any kind of creases or indentions in the client's head, make sure you stretch that skin and get all that hair even all the way around. Now we're gonna go ahead and start doing a taper on the back. And I'm using the Tune 45 custom made Slimline Pro LIs to go ahead and create that guideline. And now I'm using my cordless seniors with the Stay Gifted transparent clipper lid on there. Make sure you hit that link in the description below. It is to my website.
Houston, we have a problem.
They fit on the 1919s and they fit on the cordless seniors. They do not fit on the Magic Clips. So after the lever being closed, we're gonna go ahead and start with the one guard all the way open, and that's gonna blend right into the 1.5 that we have already on the client's head. And then we're just gonna put the lever in the middle and then close it to kind of lighten up that line that we left with the half. And what's gonna clean that up is the half guard, and that's gonna blend right in. And notice how I kept like the neckline a little bit darker. I didn't blend all the way across. That's because whenever I put that line up, it's gonna just pop. It's gonna be a little bit darker. It's gonna have more of a contrast. It's gonna look nice. I do it every now and then on my tapers. It just depends on how I'm feeling and on on the client. But this is just a close-up shot showing you that I'm removing that line with the half guard. And now you may see some dark spots. You may see a little bit of a line left behind. Now I'm using my lever all the way open, no guard, and I'm just doing some detail work to kind of remove those dark spots with the corner of my blade. And as you can tell, that taper came out pretty blurry. All right, guys. So if y'all follow the barber industry on Instagram real heavy, y'all have seen this before. You've seen that white ash mark. You've seen those nice crispy edges. Now, one day I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and start doing this and see if it really works. To me, it really helps me out with where I want my line at. You don't have to eyeball a certain line of where you want to put it. You could do this on, on the neckline, the hairline. You could do this on the beard. And what it does is it leaves that white ash mark that you see on Instagram.
Houston, we have a problem.
I've seen it done by multiple barbers, and my boy Get Beam, I feel like he does it the best. This may not be the correct way, to do it, but it's just something that I just started doing not too long ago in the shop, and I like it. And it's just an extra few minutes that allows me to do for the client and prep my line. And it's been helping me out, with all my line work. So right here, and it helps you out with not, doing pushbacks. Not that I do pushbacks, but accidents happen or hairlines, happen. Not every customer has the perfect edge up, so but we try our best not to push back, of course. But as you can tell, I'm just following where his hairline and his beard line is supposed to be, right? So I go back, use my trimmer, follow that white line, and then I put the razor on it, and bam. So right here, these are some custom-made gold FX skeleton trimmers. My boy was showing them, so I just decided to put them on camera because they look clean. My boy on Instagram, he actually is one of the clients to one of the barbers in the shop, and he started doing customization to clippers and painting and wrapping clippers and stuff like that. So that green trimmer that you saw used to be gold, but he customized it and painted it green, and the barber that owned it, he actually sold it recently this past Saturday. Actually to I believe he's a barber. He came out to get a haircut with S-Craft Blends, and he bought the trimmer, took it back home to
Houston, we have a problem.
came from Iceland. Viking Blends. He bought that trimmer. Alright, so guys, this in particular client does not like a bald taper. He doesn't like it to be too short. So as you can tell, I'm doing the shadow taper fade on the sides. He balded out the back, but he wants to keep that beard connected to the lineup. So with that being said, a shadow fade or a shadow taper is gonna be a half. It can be with your half guard, or it could be with the lever all the way open with no guard. But as you can tell, that taper's coming out nice. And then once you put the lineup on it with the razor, it's gonna pop.
Houston, we have a problem.
You know, if you're just starting out, you're in school and you need help with your lineups, you need help with your beard lines or whatever, you want to come out with a white ash mark, this is probably gonna be your best bet.
Thank you for following. Yeah.
It works well. I like it. I enjoy it. I don't have to do it. As you can tell, I've made hundreds of videos without it. But like I said, I just picked up a new technique and I enjoy it. So I just ended up, you know, I kept doing it on mostly all my clients. All types of hair texture, it doesn't matter.
Houston, we have a problem.
Alright, so now I'm going to take my white pencil and I'm going to make my line for the hairline up top. I'm not going to go past it. As you can tell, I'm not pushing it back. I'm not trying to create a line that's not there. He has hair there. I don't want to go past that. I want to keep it natural. This is what I'm doing. And you don't have to apply the pencil too dark. It just lightly tap the client's skin.
Houston, we have a problem. Thank you for following. Yeah.
Now we're going to go ahead and line up the goatee area. But after we put the razor on this cut, everything is gonna pop. These trimmers hit, man. All right, so now I did not apply any kind of shave gel.
Thank you for following, yeah.
If you are not advanced with using a straight razor, I wouldn't recommend doing this technique, dry shaving. I would definitely put some kind of shave gel
Houston,
or
we have
even
a
water. That way you can help that blade slide smoothly. But once you get it down to how you need to hold the blade at a 45-degree angle and slide with it, and use like the corners and not apply so much pressure, I think you can dry shave around that time. But just be very careful, guys. Please.
Thank you for following,
Be very careful. I don't do this on every client, but like I said, at the moment I felt like it was cool, it was okay. We've done it before, so it was cool with it. And it's not like we're cutting a lot of hair. I'm going with this natural hairline and what he had there. And I knocked down a lot of the hair with the trimmer anyways too, so just make sure you're stretching that skin, guys. Don't go straight against the grain with the blade, because then it's gonna definitely pull or cut that client. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this haircut tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. As always, Team Gifted, stay gifted.
Houston, we have a problem.